Using your Quest 3 headset with PCVR is pretty incredible. You can play Steam VR games, which has gorgeous graphics, or you can play flat games with mixed reality through virtual desktop. You can even connect your computer to your headset so you can work in VR and have an infinite amount of screens, or just use one massive screen in order to watch a movie. The problem is not everybody has really good Wi-Fi in their house, so in order to do this, you'd either have to use the link cable, which means you're gonna have to sit right next to your computer, or you can invest hundreds and hundreds of dollars to upgrade your router to be able to play smooth PCVR. So here's how you can connect your VR headset to your PC without Wi-Fi. Now, I got this product called Puppis from PrismXR. This is like a specialized router that connects to your computer that's not gonna cost you like $700. Actually, this costs $80, which is $20 cheaper than the D-Link Airbridge. The way this works is pretty simple. It connects like basically a direct line of communication between your headset and your computer without having to go through Wi-Fi. Now that direct connection basically means that only your headset can get through that connection to your computer. Whereas, for example, if you're using Wi-Fi and you have a ton of different electronics that are also connected to that Wi-Fi, those can all interfere with each other and affect how good the connection is between your PC and your headset. All right, so let's set this up and see how good it works. Now, the connection between the PC directly to the headset is going to be mode number 1. Okay, so here's the cable to connect it to my computer. If you have two USB 3.0 ports, then it doesn't matter. You can plug both of these into a USB 3.0 port. Otherwise, the white one can go into a USB 2.0 port. So it says there's a right side and a left side. You see that? That says left on there. Left on this side, right on that side. Okay, it says I need to download the app. Okay, so there's multiple devices actually. So I guess I do need the app because I also have their audio headphone thing. So I'll go ahead and connect the wire bridge. And this will put the device in Bluetooth connecting mode. Okay, so there's a button here. I pressed it once. Now I'm retrying. Oh, yep, I found it. Okay, cool. That was quite easy. It says I'm all connected and that I'm ready to start streaming. Okay, it says I'm connected. Interesting though, it didn't ask for a password or anything. It just directly connected. So I wonder if like any of my neighbors can connect to this directly. All right, so now let's try to do Airlink without Wi-Fi. Uh-oh, it's disconnected. Why did it disconnect? Turns out I just had to update a software on my phone, and after I did that, everything worked perfectly fine. All right, now we're going to do a series of tests to see how good this router works. The first test of 3 will be to play a single-player PC VR game, which is going to be Kayak VR. This is working very, very smoothly. Look at that, there's like absolutely no lag. I am recording from my Quest 3, so maybe I'll record the next game just on my PC so you can see how it looks. Yeah, this works really well. Let's try a different app. All right, we passed test number 1. So on to test number 2. For this, we're going to do a more demanding PC VR game. Actually, we're gonna play Resonate, which is a multiplayer open metaverse. Girl, this looks gorgeous. This looks so beautiful. This is why I love PC VR. It's just like, I don't know, look at that. Like, the leaves are waving at me. They are waving, they are saying, hello, Jasmine, thank you for playing PC VR. Look at this. I can control the freaking sky. Now it's dusk. Now it's daylight. Oh my gosh. I freaking love VR. This is a very resource intensive app, by the way. Like, very resource intensive, and it is running so smoothly, so beautifully. I want to live here. I am so, oh my gosh, I want to live here. Test number 2 is also a pass. For this last and final test, I'm going to move very far away from this router. In fact, I'm going to go to a completely different room on a completely different floor in my house. So before we get into the third and final test, I did want to mention that this feature of connecting your headset directly to your PC with the router is only one of 3 different modes on this router. The second one I'm not really going to go into, but the third one is being able to use this router as a Wi-Fi adapter. So for example, if your PC doesn't have Wi-Fi built into it, you can plug this router in and then all of a sudden your PC can connect to Wi-Fi. Here's the router. Okay, I'm gonna go take a walk through my kind of messy house. No, continue and pass through. Right, let's go all the way downstairs. Okay, I'm gonna sit here at the bottom of the stairs. Oh, there it is. It's all the way up there. How do I grab you? Oh no. And ta-da! Okay, it still works. Wow, that was really difficult to get this working down here. Yeah, I just had to set up a new boundary. Anyway, we're downstairs. We're completely browsing all my stuff. Let's see. Let's try my TikTok account. Everything is working. You guys, I'm downstairs using the router, not using Wi-Fi whatsoever. Like, you saw how much I struggled to get down here from up there, and it's working perfectly fine. So there you go. That is the ultimate test in my opinion. Honestly, that worked pretty smoothly, and after I set it up the first time, anytime I tried to use Airlink after, it connected pretty flawlessly, so that's really good. So overall, this is a pretty good value for your money, especially if you just need a way to easily connect your headset to your PC. I will have the link in the description below, and I believe I might have a code down there as well, so make sure you check so that you can get all the discounts. And yeah, let me know what you're excited to use PCVR for in the comments below. I'll see you next time. Bye!